Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fit Tuckers. Today we're going to do a little short circuit workout. So we're going to use the battle ropes. So we're going to plan on doing 4 rounds of all this. So with the first round, I'm going to go out, in. So it's an out, in. Slight bend your knees, take the pressure off your back. We'll do 10 of those. Straight over here to the stability ball. With the stability ball, we're going to do some crunches. Like I said, if you haven't seen this before, we pretend there is a grape in our belly button. So we're going to go back, come up, and squeeze. Squeezing the entire time, but when we get here, it's a flex. Do not put your hands on the back of your neck. You're adding pressure. It's not going to do any good, so just rest your hands here. So just go back, pop, back, pop. So we're going to do 10 of those also. Then we're going to step over here. So you can grab a weight or a ball here. I have just like a little sandbag right at 10 pounds. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold this out. If that's too much pressure on your back, you can hold it in a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to step up and down with the same leg. So we're going to start with the right leg. So we're going to step up here and down. So my right leg is the first thing up. Right leg is the first thing down. So we're going to do 10 of those. So then we're going to come back over here. And we'll do another 10 inside, another 10 crunches, and then we're going to switch to the left leg. All right, so we're going to do 4 rounds. On the second round, we're going to go inside out with this. So it'll be 2 outside in rounds, and then 2 rounds with the right foot up, right foot down, 2 with the left foot up, left foot down. Reason we alternate feet, if we're going up with the same foot each time, putting more pressure on that one quad that the other leg didn't get worked. So let's start outside in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Crunches. All the way out. Start with the right leg. Get to breathe, guys. Set out with these. Try to really get out with your shoulders. Inside out, inside out. Last one, All right, guys. So you see that was just 4 little rounds. Got the shoulders, got a little back, got some abs, some leg work. This short circuit stuff is good if you only get to the gym 3 times a week. Some of this stuff you could have in your home, like a little stability ball, little step up. You could just step up on the machine, holding little water jugs. You can see I'm a little winded here, but that's what we want, keeping that heart rate up. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out the other videos. And as always, remember, don't sit, get fit.